The worst thing that anyone can ever do is to deny one's true nature, whatever that may be, whatever form that might take. Which isn't to say that you should be a slave to it either. Being in control of one's nature is essential to living a decent life, a life that makes us in any way happy or content or satisfied. But if we deny our nature, even if we have full control of our faculties and full control of our decision-making process, then we can't really satisfy ourselves or make ourselves happy if we deny our true nature and deny the things that we need to be happy and to feel satisfied by partaking in, by being a part of. It's a delicate balancing act in which one has to accept and be aware of one's true nature, accept and be aware of what it is you really want, what it is that really brings you joy and brings you satisfaction and pleasure, but at the same time never being completely beholden to that nature and always being able to make the choices that will allow you to override those deeper imperatives when necessary, when it is in your own best interest to do so. Either extreme, either denying one's true nature or just giving into it and overindulging, being too gluttonous in terms of satisfying your more primal, deeper needs and desires. Either approach will result in abject despair. Neither approach will lead to a good life full of decent acts that will ultimately make one proud on one's deathbed. And that's what it's all about in the end. To do so, to reach that end of a life well lived, we have to be aware of our deeper nature, our primal nature, the things that we really crave and we just intrinsically want and even need to feel satisfied. But then at the same time, we have to be aware of our own ability to choose and make willful decisions and control ourselves, because we are always able to control ourselves. But if we control ourselves to the extent of denying our true nature, then we'll even be ourselves in the end. Both are necessary and both are true.